All right, friends, where are my big haired wig sisters? I have been testing out a product, this stuff right here. It's Got2b glued. It's their spray wax. I had a wig sister reach out to me, gosh, probably a month ago. I talk about TressAllure wig wax all the time. I use it on my synthetic wigs. It is the most amazing styling spray I have ever used on my synthetics, but it's pretty pricey, and she asked me if I thought this would be a good dupe. Well, I'd never tried it, so I bought it, and I've been testing it. I will tell you guys, I do not like it on my synthetics. I think it makes the fibers too tacky. Wig wax doesn't do that, so wig wax is still the reigning queen of products, but this on human hair, oh my gosh. So this is a human hair wig by 𝘮𝑉ogue. I'm going to switch hands here. My hand's starting to shake. 𝘮𝑉ogue Medical Wigs and Beyond. This is DANITY. She is a naturally curly human hair wig. She is amazing. I have her in 3 colors, and she is relatively budget friendly. I think the prices range anywhere from, I want to say $500 to $900, depending on the color that you get. Anyway, I used it on her to get her big. I'm going out with my husband for date night, and I just felt like big hair, and this stuff, stellar, and it really doesn't make the fibers too sticky on human hair. If you want to know more about this product, I'll make a video for you guys, show you how I use it. Let me know, but I wanted to share this with you tonight. I hope you have a great Friday night.